What's going on, guys? So we gotta refresh the mulch here in this house, and this house is where I got a lot of views with this video that I made when I was doing for the first time mulch in this house. So you're about to see it now. Let me switch that screen, and there it is. You can see it needs fresh mulch. It's been a while. I think it's about, I don't know how long it's been since I posted the video. I think it's about 3 years now. So you can see that it definitely needs new mulch. So kind of trim the shrubs a little bit, and we might not do that side. This used to be pine straw, but if we have enough, they said to put that. In the meantime, we're gonna focus on here in the front, and as you can see, the edging is still looks good, so we're not gonna re-edge it. It's gonna look good the way it looks. And that's 4 yards, guys. 4 yards. Going all around here. The beds are clean now. And everything's blooming right now. It's finishing. Japanese maple here. And we are gonna put a little bit on that one. Well, not a little bit. We will put some in here. So we can just clean this bed. So that's where it's gonna go. Yeah, it's been I think it's 3 years now, or 4 years ago. And now it's time to refresh the mulch, guys. It's gonna look nice when we get done. 4 yards is the max I can put in this trailer. You can see it spills. So yeah. All right, let's get it done. Alright guys, we got this section done. As you can see, looking really nice, man. We're working further now, and it looks like we don't have enough to do the back of that bed. This bed right there, add a little. Oh yeah, so this is the difference now. We trimmed this rough. Might have to end up pulling this huge rough on here. It's ugly, as you can see, vines everywhere. We're gonna still need that bed right here. Oh yeah, looking nice. Alright, so we are done with the mulch. You can see we didn't have enough on the back. We'll come back. We're just gonna get some bags and finish that section.
I need another couple of bushes in here. I need one right there and one right there.
Yeah, we can plant them.
Some kind. Probably need to replace that bush right. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember what you call those bushes.
So there you have it, guys. Looks freaking good. Back here, shrubs. the roses here, and we did have enough of that in. This one we have to do plaster on inside here. Right here. And that's all. Time to go do some more mulch. We gotta go get some lunch, man. That was 4 yards of the red mulch, and just got home. We finished early. We finished around 3:30. So I remember the first time we did it, I had removed the mulch and did the edging, and that video got a lot of views. So I wanted to show it again, so you guys can see that now after 3 years now we went and refreshed the mulch. It was time to refresh it. And I still had a customer. And matter of fact, that was my first customer, guys, that I got when I started the business. First one, I got it, and so far I still have it. Yeah. So after that, we went. We're still doing more mulch. We're doing a lot of mulch since last week. And this week, we're gonna keep doing more mulch. We have another project we're working on it, so that's gonna be the next videos coming. So I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, keep working, man. Right now on spring's here. It's time to cut grass. We are all busy, guys. People calling back in here, and we got busy like that. So yeah, we got plenty of work. So it's time to make more money, guys. All right, see you in the next one, man. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and keep hustling, keep working. All right, later, man.